Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this Fortnite error 20006. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So what you want to do is go ahead to your browser and write down dll/files.com. dll-files.com. Basically, you want to be here and you want to find tbs DLL, you're gonna write down TBS on the search bar and you're gonna just find it here. I have downloaded this version here, so it's the second one from here. And once you will download it, you want to go ahead and find it on where you have downloaded. I downloaded it on my desktop. You want to go ahead and extract the files, and I'm gonna just extract it on my desktop too. Now once it was extracted, you're gonna find it here, and here is this file which you want to go ahead and copy. After you have copied it, you want to go ahead and go to your local disk C. Then you want to go to your program files and find it easy anti-cheat EOS. So for me it would be here on program files x86 and easy anti-cheat folder. Open it up. And you want to go ahead and paste this file here. Once you have done that, you want to go back to local disk C, go to program files, go to Epic Games, find Fortnite, and then Fortnite game, binaries, Win64, and find easy anti-cheat. Open it up and paste this file again. Now, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and create a shortcut of this easy anti-cheat EOS setup. You want to go ahead, show more options, and create a shortcut. Once you have created a shortcut, you want to go ahead and drag it to your desktop. And on your desktop, you want to go ahead and click properties on the specific file. And you're going to write down here after that exe space install space prod then dash fn. Then you're going to click apply and OK, and you want to go ahead and double click on this shortcut, and now it will run this and close instantly. So if it will not close instantly, then you did something wrong. If it closed instantly, then the problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.